In a world facing climate change, water scarcity, and depletion, one question remains. How can we manage Earth's treasures responsibly? Introducing Economics of Natural Resources, an Islamic perspective by Professor Dr. Hussain Mohi-ud-Din Qadri. This groundbreaking book combines modern economics with timeless Islamic principles. It focuses on tawhid, khilafah, justice, moderation, and the prohibition of waste. The book examines energy, water, land, minerals, agriculture, and marine resources. It provides practical solutions like green sukuk and WQF-based conservation. Discover Zakat-funded sustainability projects for ethical resource management. This book is essential for economists, policymakers, and students alike. It encourages anyone passionate about a just, sustainable future. Economics of Natural Resources is more than just a book. It's a roadmap. Learn how to lead responsibly and sustainably on a global stage. Get your copy today and join the movement for balance. Together, we can create a sustainable world for future generations. Visit Minhaj Al-Quran Publications and Sales Center and make a difference today. WhatsApp 009232243840066 and 009230974171163.